This is the elevator at the Biomedical building at Penn State Fayette in Lemont, Pennsylvania. This is a Otis, another Otis trilogy, but this one has Series 1 fixtures. This is an older installation from late 90s, early 2000s. Might be now be on Penthouse, but I think that's locked. Oh no, it's open. Very flat. A 2-floor building has a penthouse. That's a little interesting. Here's the penthouse. This is just mechanical. That probably goes to the roof. Probably shouldn't be open here. Go back down to 1. Or should be like off roof, no. No phone. Surprisingly for Penn State, I would have thought they would have a phone. It's a basic Otis stainless steel cab. Every elevator here has had a stainless steel cab so far. Should I forget is in room 122 Williams. Wasn't the other one 121? Probably misread it. You're about 1. I believe this is a renovated older building. They're called Lemont.